Hello, and welcome to another World Culinary Journey where we're going to take a quick exploration of a different kind of food that we've tried throughout our travels. So, we're going to head to a country that was one of the grandest adventures that we've taken, and that's Egypt. Home to Abu Simbel, the pyramids, and so much amazing history, but it's also home to unique modern culture as well as unique food items like the Koshari, which is kind of a comfort street food that goes back to the working class people, and we found it as a really interesting. It has a mix of different pastas, rice, lentils, dried tomatoes, and things like that in it. So it's kind of a pasta, kind of rice, and kind of, a lot of things. It also has the crispy onions that you find in the US that you put on your green bean casserole for Thanksgiving. So you have that on it too. So it has crispiness, has different pasta, as you can see in our version of it that we had. We had it a couple of times while we were in that we liked it enough in Egypt. So we had it on our cruise ship, and we also ordered it again at our hotel that we stayed in after the cruise. So, I mean, it has a lot of different looks and things like that. So it depends on, what it's like, who's preparing it, of course. We really loved our time in Egypt. Here's some of the friends that we met on the ship, and that really, really great folks. And the kosaris, a wonderful, hearty kind of dish that you can have that we really loved in Egypt and would have it again. That's for sure. Once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, travel, relaxing videos, and the like. And contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next adventure.